It's a beautiful day over here at Courtesy Jeep in Mesa, presenting to you another one of our Courtesy Customs Pro Shop Wrangler builds. Now this one is a 2024 Wrangler. That is the new body style with the new interior on it as well. And on this one, we did a 3.5-inch Teraflex RT2 Alpine lift kit. That is right, that is your top of the line lift kit. What we've got in here is we've got the Falcon 3.3 quick adjust, so you can dial every corner in exactly the way you want it. It's even got their hydraulic bump stops up in the front. It's got all 8 adjustable control arms to really dial in that suspension along with your alignment, and also gets rid of a lot of that body roll that you would normally get from a typical lift kit. It also comes with their heavy duty Teraflex adjustable track bars front and rear. Now, even though the stabilizer isn't Teraflex, we did go with the Fox ATS just so you can get a little bit more adjustability with the 24 clicks there. Same pass-through design, so no resistance one way or another. Here in the front, as you can see, we've got the rough country bumper, tubular style, with not only a light bar, but we upgraded the fog lights to pod lights. So when you hit your fog light bumper, these will turn on. Got the rough country winch in there so you can pull all your Bronco buddies out. Over here on the other side, you can see here, we've even got their quick disconnect setup in there. So that way when you want your full articulation at any time, any place, anywhere, you can dial that up, pull that up there to the bracket, and you've got yourself a free front axle. Now we've got 18-inch fuel wheels wrapped on 35-inch Toyo RT all-terrain tires. These are phenomenal for not only the street, but also for off-roading. They're even on that truck over there. We've even got the rough country rock sliders. Works as a step a little bit too, so you can help get yourself in there, as well as protect you from any kind of rocks or any terrain that you might be going on. Here in the back, you can see a little bit there. You got your other fork adjustable control arms, as well as, again, Falcon shocks in the rear. Here in the back, we did wire in these back lights to a switch. That way you can turn them on or off as you'd like. That way if you go out at night, want a little bit extra lighting, maybe you've got a campfire going on, you can turn those on and keep them on even with the Jeep off. Got your shackles in the back. So you've got some pole mounts on there, as well as still keeps your factory sensors. So that way you keep all of your premium features while still adding capability off-road. We did add a Rugged Ridge heavy-duty tire cover on there, or tire carrier. This does handle, I believe it's up to a 40-inch tire, and it is adjustable, so you can adjust the angle and the height of it. Very nice setup. Also braces the hinges on the inside, so it's a huge upgrade from the factory, especially with the bigger tire. Now this kit normally comes with a third brake light that sits up here on the wheel, but due to the nature of these wheels, the bracket didn't fit as well as I would have liked it to. So what we did instead was we added a third brake light inside the wheel. So every time you hit that brake, not only are you being compliant by having a third brake light, but it also lights up your whole wheel. I thought that was a really nice nice touch in there. Let's go take a look on the inside real quick so you guys can check this out. So here on the inside, you've got your switches down low, that way they're out of the way, but you can still get to them very easily. And check out that nice interior. It's a beautiful finish they've got there on the dashboard. Got your hardtop headliner in there. Very nice touch in the summertime. And look at that, adaptive cruise control, standard feature on the 24 Wrangler. Still got the push button. Really, really, really like this right here. It's got both the Wrangler and the Gladiator in there. That was a nice touch. And what everyone's been the most excited for is that new screen. Let's go take a look at it real quick. It's got everything you could want and more in there. Android Auto, wireless might I add. Nice clear backup camera in there. Even got your pitch and roll on the nice big screen. As well as your accessory gauges in there, so you can check all your temperatures. Got crawl control down there, so you can set whatever speed you like and it'll handle whatever it is you want. The only thing this Jeep is missing, honestly, is you in the driver's seat. Come on down to Courtesy Jeep in Mesa and ask for stock number J240208 and come put this dream in your driveway today.